What if I told you that right now, people are quietly making money online by selling small automations that run themselves, and they don't even have clients, coding skills, or a single ad running? Sounds insane, right? But here's the wild part. It's happening every single day. Regular people, freelancers, and small creators are turning simple automations built with tools like Make.com, ChatGPT, and Airtable into plug-and-play systems that sell like digital products. They're not selling their time anymore. They're selling results. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we break down how to build and sell digital products powered by automation and AI. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of the weekly breakdowns. All right, let's get into it, because this video might completely change how you think about making money online. So, here's the deal. For years, the online world has told you that to make money, you need one of three things: clients, content, or ads. But there's a new path now, one that flips the old rules upside down. Instead of chasing clients, you sell ready-made automations that solve real problems. Instead of coding, you use no-code tools like Make.com and ChatGPT to build them in hours, not weeks. And instead of running ads, you let platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip do the selling for you. Let's start with what this actually looks like in the real world. Imagine you build a simple review booster agent. It automatically sends a friendly follow-up email or even a quick SMS a few days after purchase, asking for feedback and collecting testimonials. You can build this with ChatGPT for the message, Make.com to automate the flow, and Google Sheets or Airtable to store responses. Now here's the magic. You don't sell the service of setting this up. You sell the automation itself as a product. You package it with a quick video tutorial and a ready-to-import Make scenario file. Price? Maybe $29 or $49. You upload it to Gumroad or Payhip. Done. You've just built a digital asset that works 24/7. Let's do the math. You sell 50 copies at $49. That's $2,450 from a single automation you built once. And you can repeat that process with different agents. A lead magnet delivery agent that automatically sends free ebooks or PDFs when someone signs up. A client onboarding agent that welcomes new buyers and sends them next steps. A content repurposing agent that turns YouTube transcripts into blog posts or emails automatically. You see the pattern? Each one solves a micro problem that businesses and creators have every single day. And here's the best part. You don't need an audience to start. Most of the early sellers who make $500 to $3,000 a month doing this aren't influencers or marketers. They're builders. They list their automations on marketplaces like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Product Hunt. Then they optimize the title, use strong keywords like Notion automation, AI email agent, or no-code workflow, and let the traffic work for them. Think about it. Someone searching for automate client onboarding finds your product. They download it. You get paid. You never even talk to them. Now let's talk about why this model works so well in today's digital economy. There's a massive shift happening. People don't just want tools. They want done-for-you systems, something they can import and use instantly. AI is powerful, but it's also overwhelming for beginners. That's your opportunity. If you can take something that's confusing, like connecting ChatGPT, Make.com, and Google Sheets, and turn it into a plug-and-play workflow, people will happily pay for the shortcut. Let me paint a quick example for you. Imagine a creator uploads a podcast repurposing automation on Gumroad, a simple workflow that uses ChatGPT and Make to turn one podcast episode into 5 tweet threads, 2 blog posts, and a ready-to-post YouTube description. They price it at around $39, and within a few weeks, sales start rolling in. No ads, no client work, just one smart system selling over and over again. That's the power of leverage. Building once and earning forever. Now, if you're wondering, okay, but how do I even start building my first automation? Here's a simple roadmap that anyone can follow. First, you need to pick a problem people already pay to solve. Don't overthink it. Look for tasks that repeat, that waste time, or that people keep complaining about. It could be things like collecting leads from forums, welcoming new clients, asking for testimonials, following up on emails, or even organizing content and data. The goal is to pick something small but painful, something that, if automated, saves people hours every week. Next, open ChatGPT and use it as your brainstorming partner. Ask it to outline the logic behind your idea. For example, what steps would an automation for collecting customer reviews need? And in seconds, you'll have a basic flow. For example, it might start with a trigger that kicks things off. Maybe when someone fills out a form or makes a purchase. Then a message is sent automatically, the information gets stored in a spreadsheet or database, and finally, there's a follow-up step to close the loop. You can refine it, tweak it, and even ask ChatGPT to write the sample messages or prompts for you. Once that's clear, it's time to build. Go to make.com or Zapier. Both are drag and drop platforms that let you connect apps visually. No coding, no scripts, no plugins. Just connect your tools, maybe Google Sheets, Gmail, Airtable, or Notion, and build out the flow step by step. You can literally watch the automation come to life. When it's done, test it. Run it once or twice to make sure it works smoothly. Then record a quick Loom video walking through the setup. Keep it simple. Show how to import the file, how to connect the tools, and how the automation runs. That short demo builds trust and makes your product feel premium, even if it's just a $29 automation. Now package everything neatly. Your automation file, your short tutorial, and a short text guide or cheat sheet with quick start instructions. That's your digital product right there. And finally, upload it to Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. All of them are beginner-friendly platforms that handle payment, delivery, and even VAT for you. Create a clean thumbnail that visually represents what your automation does. Write a clear, benefit-driven title, something like AI Review Collector. Get customer feedback automatically. Keep your description short, show what problem it solves, and set a simple price. Once it's up, share it on Reddit, indie hackers, or small business Facebook groups. You don't need ads. You just need the right keywords and a solid product that saves people time. And there you go. Your first automation product is live. Now let's talk about growth. Once you have one automation selling, create a suite, a full line of related agents. For example, you could start with a simple review agent, something that automatically asks customers for feedback after a purchase. Then add a testimonial collector that organizes those responses and turns them into social proof for your clients. Next, build a follow-up agent to re-engage people who haven't replied or completed a step yet. And finally, a referral generator that rewards customers for bringing in new ones. When you bundle these together, you've just created a complete business automation starter kit. And that's where the real leverage begins. Bundle them into a business automation starter kit and sell it for $99. That's when your revenue really scales, because you're not just selling one tool, you're selling a system. And here's the thing, when people buy once and get value, they come back for more. That's how you build recurring income without subscriptions. Now you might be thinking, but what if I'm not creative enough to come up with automation ideas? Here's a secret. You don't need to be. Just look around. Every online entrepreneur has pain points. Scroll through Reddit, indie hackers, or Facebook groups for freelancers. Pay attention to what people complain about. I hate doing follow-ups. I wish I could automate client onboarding. Those complaints are product ideas waiting to happen. The truth is, we're entering a new era where small automations are the new digital products. Just like templates exploded a few years ago on Notion and Canva, automations are now becoming the next wave. And those who start early build a library of products that can sell for years. Before we wrap up, here's your next step. I've put together a complete step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to choose the right automation idea, build it with no code, package it like a real digital product, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details in the pinned comment below. It's designed to help you move faster and avoid wasting hours trying to figure everything out alone. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly breakdowns, and comment below which automation you'd like to build first. Thanks for watching, and as always, let's make digital profit.